Hi guys, this is Mr. Wineowine, and today I am going to show you how to make a This is what you'll need. Pour 1 ounce of white rum, 1 ounce of coconut flavored rum, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and guess what? 1 ounce of orange juice. Two dashes of Angostura bitters. Add the ice and shake well. You can either pour your cocktail over some fresh ice or just pour it with the dirty ice. Then add a splash of grenadine for a nice color. Garnish with an orange slice and maraschino cherry, aka the flag garnish. Et voila! If you liked the video, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching and santé!